Hi, my name is John Schultz. Dr. Agarwal is my doctor back in Milwaukee. My biggest takeaway of today is just as far as nutrition, learning new things with nutrition as far as what we should eat, what we should really be eating, and what we shouldn't be eating. I think it's very valuable things to learn. I recommend it to anybody to come and listen to Dr. Agarwal's workshop. Again, nutrition is the most important thing in our life. I had a heart attack in 2020, so nutrition to combat cardiovascular disease is very, very important. To eat the proper foods so you don't end up having a heart attack or having another one. So again, I recommend Dr. Agarwal to come to his workshop and listen to what he has to say. He's very knowledgeable, he's trustworthy, he's a very kind man. Thank you.